Struggling to reach under your fridge or beds like this with a sweeper to clean out the dust? I've got a hack, a very simple hack to get in between those tight spaces. Using a kitchen paper towel, maybe 5 or 6 sheets together like this, we're going to gently glide in the sheet with our sweeper stick. Do this slowly so that the entire sheet slides under the width of the bed or your fridge. Once the whole sheet is in there, we gently glide along the length of the bed and then pull it out. Look at all the hair and dust that gets collected. Repeat this step a couple of times until you've got no more dust and hair left. An easy hack for those tight spaces.